guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you if you're new here. And this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here. I am Shay with the Pals. If you take a second and subscribe, also make sure to smash like button, support your girl. Don't forget to hype your girl up as well. And so as far as today, I need 15 offers for $5 for my midweek. With that being said, we're gonna keep this brief. Head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals you can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Hit the like button and keep on watching.
So I'm gonna be grabbing the La Tierra taco seasoning again. It's an easy rebate. I only need a few more left to hit my midweek. 83 cents, getting back 25 cents on Ibotta. Will make these only, I want to say 58 cents.
All right. I just realized that we actually have an Ibotta offer for the 24 ounce, which is a 6 count, for $2.50. So it would make them $1.50 per bag, limit of 5. I'm tempted to get 5. Think I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 2 of them though, because that is really a great
This
deal.
next deal is on the Gator Light. This is a Flavor Wiki offer. A couple of you guys hit me up to let me know we had new offers, and so I got it for this one here. It has to be the Glacier flavor. It's priced at $2.28. I'll have to pop up the coupon that I used for it. It's a hang tag for $1. So you'll pay $1.28 and get back 4 on Flavor Wiki. Would make this a $2.72 money maker. And I did get it on both accounts, so I went ahead and did 2 on separate transactions. For this one, well, for all of Flavor Wiki offers, I always take a picture in store just in case you need that. So yeah. Another offer is on the Pedialyte Advance. It has to be on the one that they don't have, clearly. It is the same, it's this color, basically. It's a blue, but it's the Advanced. It's $5.98. And then you're getting back $4. So it makes it $1.98. I'm gonna pass on this one because I don't want to pay for nothing. Simply put, I don't want to pay. If it pops up on Ibotta, definitely will do it. And so, yeah. All right. So this next deal is on the Candence. I think that's how you pronounce it. I tried this one. I like it. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the citrus ones. It looks like they're priced at $2.78. So 2 of them is gonna be $5.56. I do have another offer for buy one, get one free on aisle, and then $1 for each on Ibotta. We'll bring them down to 39 cents each. So next up is the Banza protein pasta. It's priced at $3.18. We have a free offer on Ibotta. It is also available for Walmart Rewards as well. I'm making this absolutely free. So I'm gonna be grabbing the stem refills again. I did this in my last video. The $5 printable on coupons.com, it is working. And I think I'm going to go ahead and max it out. So grabbing one at $7.97, $5 coupon, it does work for me in self-checkout. So you'll end up paying $2.97, getting back to one Ibotta makes it 97 cents. And what I did for the last set is I sold one of these and one of the kits on offer up as a set. And so I think I'm going to do that with the rest of the kits that I have because I still have maybe like 5 or 6 kits left. And so, yeah. All right, so we're grabbing the dial again. I left my pilly in the car, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and grab it. It's priced on our back for $2.58. We'll be getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, 75 cents on one of the sister apps, and then 75 cents on checkout at the one. It'll make that 58 cents, and dial does track towards the threshold offer on Fetch Reward. Really quick, every time I come here, I always check these because this one is $2 and they keep restocking it. I think I feel like May, my best deals, because every time she be posting stuff that they be restocking, and I'm gonna get them all. There's an offer on the sister apps. It might work for as well, but either way it goes, I'm gonna grab them anyway for $2 each. I'm gonna grab the Axe Blue Lavender spray. It's priced at $4.98. And then for this, it does work for the $8 back when you buy 2 offer on Ibotta. It'll make them like 98 cents each. I'm grabbing this again on the Nivea Men. Now, I did try the $2 printable, and as per usual, it's not scanning. So I'm going to grab this one. It's priced at $4.77. I'll be submitting this to $2 for Ibotta, Checkout 51, and one of the sister apps. It's going to bring this down to $1.23 moneymaker. And of course, I have to grab this again. I was going to grab it at Dollar Tree, but I literally have nothing else to get there. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab it at 97 cents. Getting back to those on Ibotta will make this a $1.03 moneymaker.
All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. Not a really big haul. I did grab one of those pastas at Target. I know I was trying to submit for the hummingbird offer,
but I actually got the wrong one, and I guess right now they don't have a way for us to resubmit for a previously declined offer, so I could not submit that offer there. My receipt for Target is still pending from yesterday, so I should get back $318 for that. Now, when I grabbed it a couple days ago, it was $429, but when I checked online right now, it was $329. So I was able to contact support and do a price adjustment. So they did give me back $1. And so it made that an even better deal, because I low-key was going to take it back. But then I was like, I don't know. Obviously, if it was going to cost me $1, I wouldn't have even gotten it. I don't know about y'all, but I have a lot of that type of pasta already that I need to get rid of. And so I was happy to get back the extra $1, which was cool. With the degrees, that offer, well, I did have offers on the sister apps. I know the verbiage is a little different, so I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but I did do 2 per transaction so that I could submit it up to 3 times. And so I did Swagbucks. It went straight through. And then I did the other set, same thing. Inbox dollars, I think it wasn't approved. I had to request manual review, and then that cleared as well. So I did get back $5 for each set. Plus I did submit 2 of those receipts on Checkout 51 and got back $1 for each account for that as well. So it ends up making them a $2 moneymaker, which is really cool. I'm still tracking for the Axe on Fetch Rewards. I'll probably grab another set if it resets on Ibotta. If not, I'll do Walmart Rewards. What else? I just finished my surveys for Flavor Wiki. I did get one earlier. Was it earlier this week? And it was an online store type of. It was so confusing. I didn't understand it. But I got back $3 for that. I didn't think I was gonna get anything because I don't even know if I did it right. I had a non-alcoholic one that popped up, but once I put in my zip code, I got waitlist, I think it was, for that, which was sad because I got the same one on both accounts, and both times on each account I got denied. Other than that, that's basically it. Y'all, the $5 stem coupon, that is still working. It is working in self-checkout, which is awesome. I did use 3 on 1 transaction, and it is working on Ibotta as well. I didn't really need the taco seasoning because I found the Impossible Burgers and the crest, but I decided to keep them anyways. And so, yeah, let me kind of run. Right, so everything you see here retails $78.92. I had $18 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $60.92. I'm getting back $34.69 from Ibotta. Flavor Wiki is $11. Swagbucks is $10. Walmart Rewards is $9.54. Inbox dollars is $8. Checkout 51 was $4.75, and aisle is $2.78. So I get back a total of $80.76 back. It's gonna make everything you see here for say $19.84 moneymaker, which is pretty cool because it's not a really big haul. I did post a Walmart clearance video yesterday, and I found so much clearance stuff in the frozen section. So definitely check your stores. I did want to mention in my last haul, I submitted the receipt from Target for the gummies, and I did get back the $5 because they had to price. I wasn't thinking about it at the time, but since they price modified the items down rather than putting like the coupon through or whatever, it looks like I didn't have a coupon, and so I did get back $5 on Swagbucks, which made that deal even better. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.